Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 different ways to safely eject your USB flash drive from a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a USB flash drive which can have a capacity of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 or maybe more. In this tutorial, we are not focusing on the capacity. We are only focused on how to safely eject in order to prevent any sort of data loss. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's bring the USB flash drive into the frame and add that to the Mac computer. We should see that pop up on screen. So if I were to, let's just say, click on the USB flash drive, open that up, increase the size of the Finder window, change the view, and now the first way to safely eject would be through Finder. So let's go to the sidebar where we see USB. We have clicked on this and now there's a eject icon to the right of that. Click on this. This will now have ejected the USB flash drive from the Mac computer. So let's now remove completely. And now let's reinsert the USB flash drive back into the Mac computer. Let's just wait for that to load up on screen, and there we go. We don't have to open it this time, but what we can do is right click or 2 fingers down on a trackpad and eject USB. That should have now ejected from the machine. We can now remove from the Mac computer. There we go. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.